All right, we are here with Coach Leacroft Lettman of Faulkland. Just had a first game of the season, 1-0 defeat, but good performance from your team. Created some opportunities. What do you make of the game today?
Well, it was a very disciplined game by the guys. As I said, the discipline come in today. We didn't have much quarrel in the team of play, and overall, the players that turn out for training get the concept of how to play. And this is what we're asking for. The players to just come out at training and just get the adaptation to what we are giving them.
Also, the window opens and then this gives you the opportunity to refresh and to strengthen your team. Faulkland looking outside of the team itself, or are you going to address the issues in the team, within the team?
Presently, as I speak from last week, we still need players to come in. We still need number 9. We still need additional players to fill in the team, and we are not comfortable with what we have. So once we get those players come in, we just try and fit them in the bunch and see what we can go forward from there.
Yeah. All right, I want to say a big thank you to Coach Leacroft Lettman for speaking with us. Listen, all the best for your team for the rest of the year. It's a new year. It's day 1. You have 364 more left. So we suppose you can maximize those to get some wins for your team. So all the best for the new year, and to you, Faulkland, and the rest of your family.
All right, thanks a lot.
Yeah, man.